Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I recorded this really sexy, easy, smoky eye. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, to start off, I already primed my face with the NYX eyeshadow base and a Morphe G34. This is a finished eye. I was literally so focused on trying to get this right and easy, something that didn't involve too many eyeshadows. So I'm gonna try to explain in my other eye how I achieved it. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna use a blending brush. I'm gonna go in with Morphe 505 and I'm gonna use a shadow in the Jaclyn Hill palette called Silk Cream. I'm just gonna dip my brush a little bit, get it, and lean that on my crease. And I'm just gonna go in wiper motions back and forth. Also, don't forget to blend it into the inner corner of the eye, because you know we're also gonna put black close to that, so you don't really want to miss that spot. And then we're gonna slowly go back and forth, trying to build up the color, because it's better to put less and build it up to more. I'm gonna go in with the blending brush and pick up the color Pukey, and I'm gonna apply that lower, a little lower than where I applied the first color, and then we're just gonna blend back and forth. And don't forget about the inner corner again. Then to move on and go even lower, we're gonna go in with the color Roxanne, and we're gonna put that one lower than where we applied just the other eyeshadow right now. So basically we're going downward, first applying one shadow and then applying another one lower and then another one even lower, just to get that gradient effect and make sure when we apply the black that it applies nicely and not like patchy or blotchy. As you know, black is a really pigmented color, and once you put it there, it's hard to blend it out, just like when you dye your hair black. Once you dye your hair black, girl, it's hard to turn back. So same thing, blend back and forth. And then we're gonna apply our black eyeshadow. And then with the first color we used, which was Silk Cream, which was the lighter one, we're gonna go in and blend slowly to try to get rid of that harsh line between the black and the other colors. And take your time with this. A black smoky eye like this is one of the hardest to achieve and try to make it look blendable. Slowly. We're just trying to get rid of that line. And then we're gonna go in with a fluffy brush and we're just gonna blend back and forth again. Okay, once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and clean up. Any eyeshadow that fell. And now we're gonna move on to foundation and our face. So I already primed my face with the e.l.f. Mineral Face Primer, and now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, L'Oreal True Match in W5. And then go ahead. By the way, if you're wondering why my face looked a little bit weird, is because I already color corrected before I started the eyeshadow look. And this might look a little bit white, at least that's what I'm picking up on the camera, but don't worry, it matches me pretty well. So in case I start blending it out and you guys are like, girl, that don't even match you, then don't worry, it's gonna match. I'm gonna use, you know, actually I was gonna use this, but I'm actually gonna go and wet my beauty blender. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and blend my foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. This concealer is one of my favorites. It's full coverage, it's hydrating so your under eyes don't look dry. I just love it. If you guys are looking for a drugstore concealer, then I highly, I might put a little bit too much on my nose, but I highly recommend this one. I just noticed so far my face has been drugstore winning. Set the concealer, I'm gonna go in with my trusty Coty Airspun translucent powder. And I don't like to call this method bake. I'm gonna call it melting, because I'm just pretty much melting the powder under my eyes. See, you just blend, and then the powder disappears and your under eyes look flawless. For face powder, I'm using the e.l.f. Prime and Stay finishing powder. This is another good one. I got it for about, I want to say $3, and it's so nice. I don't think anybody really talks about this, so if you haven't tried it, go pick it up. For bronzer, I'm using the Toofaced Chocolate Soleil. For blush, I'm gonna go in with Nars Orgasm. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlight. I'm choosing between the Makeup Forever Duo in number 2 or the Balm Mary Luminizer. I'm trying to picture myself do what I like. This one's a little bit golden, and the Mary Luminizer, I believe, is a little bit more on the neutral side. Let me just check. I think I should go in with the Balm Mary Luminizer or Makeup Forever 2. Why don't we just mix them both? So I'm gonna go in first with the Makeup Forever Duo in number 2. And next, I'm gonna go in with the Balm Mary Luminizer. Ooh, before I put my lashes, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail Eyeliner in Carbon Black just to line the bottom of my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and curl them and use this mascara. It's Max Factor X Masterpiece. I've used these before in my videos, but in case you guys wanted to know, they're called Lashes for Days by Pro Beauty Essentials. I got it at TJ Maxx for only $6, and it brings a pack of 5, and they're really good. These are, I've used them and I put them back and I've used them again and they work just as fine. So if you guys really like them, I suggest you go. There was a lot of these. I need to go back for more actually, but I'm gonna put these off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so off camera I applied my falsies and I put the L'Oreal Infallible Carbon Black Eyeliner on my waterline and on my top lash line. And then now I'm going to put MAC's Boldly Bare Lip Liner on my lips. Since that's looking a little too peachy for me, I'm gonna go and overline it with MAC Spice. And then I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D Bow and Arrow on my lips. Lash line, I'm gonna go in with the same 3 colors we used on the crease. First, I'm gonna go in with Pukey. And then I'm gonna go in with Roxanne. I'm gonna go in with that black. Go in with Mary Luminizer, and I'm going to use it to put it on my inner corner. Just like that. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.